A tripod is an essential piece of equipment for any photographer who wants to capture sharp and well-composed images. It provides a stable base for your camera, which reduces camera shake and allows you to shoot at slower shutter speeds without worrying about blur. In this response, we'll give you an introduction to some of the best tripods for photographers. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Peak Design Lightweight Aluminum Camera Tripod. A lot of thought has gone into the Peak Design Travel Tripod. It is svelte and sleek with a matte black finish. The aluminum Peak Design Travel Tripod is one of the highest rated tripods on Amazon. This is closely followed by the more expensive carbon fiber version. The tripod legs have for telescoping sections with lever locks. The legs have two lockable leg angles, letting you work as low as 14 centimeters, 5.5 inches, off the ground. It's fast to set up and take down. The tripod comes with Peak Design's unique ergonomic ball head with an Arca-Swiss compatible quick-release plate. A small bubble level built into the head helps you level the tripod. The ball head swivels freely and is quick and easy to use. But there is no way to lock it to sweep only horizontally. This makes it hard to take panoramas. You can switch out the ball head with a universal head adapter. I often change to a gimbal when shooting wildlife. Number 2. Manfrotto Befree Advanced Tripod, DSLR/mirrorless kit. The legs are in for sections, and you have the option of twist or lever locks. The locking levers are Manfrotto's QPL lever lock system used on their professional level tripods. You can adjust the legs independently at different angles, and the tripod converts to a monopod. The tripod comes with a Manfrotto 494 center ball head. It has easy adjustments with ergonomic and independent controls. The one thing missing from this model is a bubble level. The tripod plate is compatible with both Arca-Swiss and Manfrotto quick-release plates. The tripod includes a spider feature that lets you add accessories like lights or reflectors to the tripod. The Befree tripod comes in carbon fiber or aluminum. The load capacity is limited, but this tripod will easily support mirrorless and smaller DSLR camera systems. The tripod is black with red or blue accents and comes with a light case. Number 3. K&F Concept 64 Tripod. The K&F Concept 64 is a popular lightweight budget aluminum tripod. It is one of the lightest and least expensive tripods on this list. Despite the price, it has a quality feel and works well. The legs are in 3 sections with quick flip leg locks. The legs can be angled independently for uneven terrain. The tripod comes with a 28mm, 1.1 inches, large ball head designed for stability. It holds 10 kilograms, which is okay for most cameras and lenses. But it may struggle with a weighty telephoto lens. For telephoto lenses, buy a tripod mount ring or a telephoto lens bracket for better balance. It comes with an Arca-Swiss compatible quick-release plate and a bubble level on top. The tripod is black with gold accents and comes with a high-quality bag. If you are on a budget or need an occasional travel tripod, this K&F Concept is a practical place to start. Number 4. Vanguard Alta Pro 263AB 100 Tripod. The Vanguard Alta Pro 263AB is one of the taller tripods on this list at 172.7 centimeters, 68 inches. But it is not the most compact when folded. This tripod has an extremely flexible center column. You can move the hexagon-shaped center column through various vertical and horizontal positions. Then lock it into place with a swivel and lock system. This is great for studio and macro photography where you may be working with awkward angles. It has 3 aluminum alloy legs with flip locks. They adjust independently at 3 angles. The feet have retractable spikes under the non-slip rubber feet. This version of the tripod comes with an SBH 100 ball head. The head comes with an Arca-Swiss compatible quick-release plate and bubble levels. You can order the legs with different heads, including a pan head and one with a grip. The Vanguard Alta Pro aluminum tripod is one of the heaviest on the list. But you can order it in a lightweight carbon fiber version. The tripod is black with orange accents and comes with a carrying case.